Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix calcium deficiency in body. Start with a blood test to confirm levels and ask your doctor about possible causes. Track vitamin D, magnesium, and parathyroid function together, since they influence calcium. Avoid self-prescribing high-dose supplements without guidance. Keep a simple log of symptoms, dietary intake, and medications so your healthcare team can tailor a safe plan just for you. Boosting calcium through food is practical and gentle on your body. Focus on regular servings of dairy, leafy greens, fortified foods, and small fish with bones. Pair meals with vitamin D sources or short sun exposure to help absorption. Spread intake across the day rather than one large portion, and reduce salt and heavy caffeine that can worsen calcium loss. Keep meals varied so you meet other nutrient needs too. Supplements can fill gaps, but they should be personalized and monitored for safety. Your clinician may recommend a daily calcium amount based on age, intake, and health conditions. Combine supplements with weight-bearing exercise, like walking or light resistance, to encourage bone retention. Address lifestyle factors such as smoking cessation and reducing alcohol to protect bone health. Regular follow-ups will help adjust doses and check that levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.